All right, welcome back to section 2, Creative Cloud. And in this video, we're going to set up an account and download the Creative Cloud desktop application. So head over to your favorite web browser. And for this example, I'm going to use Firefox Web Developer Edition. You can use whatever browser you want. Type in adobe.com. Click on Creativity and Design and click on What is Creative Cloud. Click on Start Your Free Trial. And select individual if you're an individual. If you're a business, select business. If you're a student or a teacher, select that option. I'm going to do individual. And we're going to click on Start Free Trial and click on the monthly plan. And then we're going to do, I'm going to do my email, learntechplus1@gmail.com. I'm going to hit continue. It's going to ask you to create a password, so I'm going to type one in here. Make sure you write that down. And then it's going to ask you for a payment method. So what it's going to do is after 7 days, they're going to bill you for whatever plan you select. So if you select the annual plan, prepaid for $599.88, that's what you'll get billed in 7 days. So January 29th. If you do the annual plan paid monthly, $52.99 a month after the trial ends, that's what will automatically be billed. If you do the monthly plan of $79.49 after the trial ends, then that's what you'll be billed. That's what I'm going to select. I already have my credit card information in here. I'm going to click on Start Free Trial, and that should give me access, and we should be ready to roll. Yep. Okay. So now I'm going to click on Get Started. And what that should do is give me a couple options here. So we're going to go to, I'm going to type in adobe.com to take us to a different menu here. And what I want to do is I want to download Creative Cloud. So what we're going to do is let's go here and click on Open. Okay, and then we're going to install Creative Cloud. Now you should get a prompt right here for the Creative Cloud setup executable. I'm going to grab that file, double click on it. You're going to get a pop-up window asking you if you want to accept. Just click yes. We're all set. And now it's going to install on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. And once this is complete, then I will come back and we'll continue on with this. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to install Photoshop. So let's go over to the Creative Cloud desktop app if you haven't already opened it, and go right to where it says Photoshop here, and we're going to click on Install. Okay, so we're going to let that install. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video, and once it's done downloading, then I'll come back and we'll continue on. Okay? All right, welcome back. So, Photoshop is officially downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to briefly open up the software, just so you can get an idea of what you're working with here. There you go. And what I want you to do is right click on the icon in the taskbar and pin it to the taskbar. All right. And in the next video, we're going to talk about graphic design. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.